Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am really excited to share with you guys. I started following this new brand called PinchMe, and what's really cool about it is a sample box that you get to try out for free. This is what it looks like. So it got sent to me. They're not paying me to say anything about these items. I just thought it was really cool and I wanted to share it with you guys. I am filming this on Christmas Day, so I hope that you guys had a wonderful Christmas with your family. I hope that you got everything on your list that you asked for. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and if you guys are interested on what's inside of this box, then please keep watching. This is what the box looks like. It is called Pinch Me. I think this is really cute. I love the colors. So when you open the box, it looks like this. Or can I open it? And whoop, that flies out. You get some goodies inside, so I'm really excited about diving in and seeing what's inside. So you will get a card that's explaining a little bit more about the brand and what's inside. So it says that you go on Pinch Me, you sign up once a month, you'll get an email with free samples, and it's available to claim, and all you have to do is just provide your honest feedback for the items. So the first thing that I see when I open the box is called Compete, Protects, and Cushion Blisters Stay in Place. I think that I would really enjoy this product inside the box, because if you ever worn heels that digs into the back of your heels, then you'll understand what is the benefit of this item, and I will get some use out of this. It's 5 cushions in the inside, and I really like that. I have a lot of heels. Some of them do not work well on the back of my heels, so I want to try that out. The next product when I go inside is called Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal, great for oily skin, removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshing. So this is a charcoal cleansing micellar water. You know, charcoal is like the new thing now. I think that it's really innovative. Charcoal is good for like detoxifying the skin. You can also use it to clean your teeth, and it helps whiten it. It's no need to rinse. So all you do is just apply this with a cotton pad or like a cotton ball, and then I'm assuming that you can take this off. Oh yeah, it says remove makeup, so you can use this to remove your makeup. It's a really good size for it to be free. I see it's this tiny deodorant. So this is what it looks like. It is called Native Deodorant. So I've actually heard about this. I've seen this. This is an aluminum free and it's a paraben free deodorant. I haven't tried a deodorant like this because currently how my sweating situation is, I don't know if this will work for me, but you know what? I'm really interested to try it out. So this is coconut and vanilla scented, and I love how tiny this is. And it smells really good. You can definitely smell the coconut. I love coconut. So I'm interested in trying this out. I don't know. I'm scared because I'm a sweater. I sweat a lot. So I want to see if that works for me. So I will keep you guys updated with that. The next thing in here is the Moroccan Oil Treatment. This is a really good oil. I love this. I love this brand, and I love Moroccan oil. I love argan oil. It's a really nice light oil. I like light oils like in the summer. I try to use the heavier oils in the wintertime with my hair. So the next thing in here is a Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer. So this is going to be for anyone that has like dry skin. It's going to help you soften your skin up, and currently in the winter months, that's going to really help hydrate my skin. So I really like that. Got a nut butter, egg white, peanuts, date, honey, cinnamon, peanut butter. So I think that that's really cool. I really like to eat peanut butter with my bananas, and I also like to eat peanut butter in my smoothies and also with apples. So I'm really excited to throw this in my lunchbox for work and try this out. It only has like 6 ingredients in here. So when you can read out all the ingredients and it's not a lot, then that means that it's really good and it's healthy for you. So I definitely like that. The next thing I see is Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. So this is with argan oil, which I was just telling you about how I loved argan oil. So that's a win. And it has sunflower seed oil. It says it's infused with argan oil and sunflower seed to give your hair its daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. So this is going to be good for detangling, nourishes, strengthens, softens, cut drying time down. So I think that this will be good for me. I have to really look again in the products to see if it has a bunch of stuff that maybe not be good for my hair, like silicones, any drying properties. But I think that I would really like this after I get done washing or conditioning my hair as like a leave-in treatment. So I think that that's what I would use this for. So I'm going to keep you guys updated with that. The next thing in here that I see is the Ricola Herbal Immunity. This is a ginseng that helps fight fatigue. So it says that anytime that you are feeling down, or if you feel like that you just need to pick me up, then you're going to eat this. This is going to be really good for your immune system to help give you more energy. And I deal with anemia, so I think that this will be really, really good for me. So this is exciting. I'm going to look at the ingredients and see if there are things in here that's going to be good for me. It has vitamin C, B6, B12. I definitely know B12 is really good for energy. So I'm going to look more into the ingredients. But yeah, this looks really promising. The type of flavoring is citrus, and there's 24 gummies in the inside. So I've actually never seen that before. And the last thing in here that I see, I actually get this from Harris Teeter. So this is called Seeds of Change. This is with quinoa and brown rice with garlic, and I've actually used this and I've eaten this and I actually really like it. I like brown rice and quinoa because it's really healthy for you, and it's also really good for filling up your body, especially the quinoa. You definitely can't eat a lot of it, but quinoa definitely is one of those grains that will help fill you up, and it's really, really good for your stomach, keeping it flat, and it won't bloat you. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I actually really like this box that I've gotten. Again, I don't think that you get the whole entire box, but I like that it shows you all different type of samples that you can try out. So it's not just one particular subject like makeup or socks or whatever. So you get a wide variety of samples that you can try. I will link down below all of the referral links or any type of codes or anything that I have regarding this box. Again, it's called PinchMe, and I really think that you guys would be interested in it, and it's free. So what doesn't get better than that? I love free items. I definitely love anything that's free. So comment down below and let me know, have you tried any of the items that I showed in my box? Or if you're interested in trying it, I will link everything down below. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.